Best choice. Welcome to my channel.
The Logitech G915 TKL is a high-performance wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. With its compact tankless TKL design, it provides a streamlined and clutter-free gaming setup. Featuring low-profile mechanical switches, it offers a responsive and tactile typing experience. The keyboard's customizable RGB lighting allows you to create stunning visual effects and personalize your gaming environment. With its reliable wireless connectivity and long-lasting battery life, the Logitech G915 TKL is an excellent choice for gamers seeking a sleek and feature-packed keyboard. Some specifications. Brand: Logitech G. Compatible devices: gaming console. Connectivity technology: HDMI. Keyboard description: mechanical, gaming. Recommended uses for product: gaming. Special feature: integrated backlighting, built-in battery, compact keyboard, low-profile keys. Color: black. Operating system: Windows 7 or later, 64-bit, or Mac OS. Number of keys: 90. Keyboard backlighting color support: RGB.